Your engine is like a symphony orchestra, and if the timing is off by even a fraction of a second, the whole performance falls apart. Code P0374, which stands for Timing Reference High Resolution Signal, too many pulses, means your engine's conductor has lost the beat. The Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, relies on a position sensor, usually on the crankshaft or camshaft, to know exactly when to fire the spark plugs and injectors. This sensor reads a reluctor wheel, which is a metal disc with teeth on it. As the wheel spins, the sensor sends a pulse for every tooth that passes. This specific code means the sensor is sending way more pulses than the computer expects to see for one revolution. It is like a drummer playing a drum roll when they should just hit the snare once. The computer gets confused and cannot determine the engine's position. Symptoms often include a check engine light, a hard start where the engine cranks but struggles to catch, or poor performance in stalling. The causes are often electrical or mechanical interference. A faulty sensor is possible, but often the issue is the tone ring itself. If the ring is damaged, or if there is metal debris and oil sludge stuck between the teeth, the sensor might read the dirt as an extra tooth, creating those extra pulses. Wiring interference from other high-voltage components can also create ghost signals. To fix this, you need to determine if you have a Hall effect sensor or a permanent magnet sensor. A Hall effect sensor has 3 wires and needs a power source, while a permanent magnet sensor creates its own alternating current voltage. You will need a digital multimeter to test this. First, visually inspect the sensor and the wiring for damage. Then, check the tone ring for debris. For a Hall effect sensor, you want to back probe the signal wire and hand turn the engine to see the voltage switch between 0 and 5 volts cleanly. For a permanent magnet sensor, you are measuring resistance, usually between 500 and 1200 ohms, and checking for an AC voltage signal while cranking. If the electrical values are out of the manufacturer's specifications, you need to replace the sensor. If the sensor tests fine, you might have a wiring short or a bad computer. Since timing is critical for your car to run, if you cannot find a simple wiring fault or a dirty sensor, you should take this to a technician who has an oscilloscope to visualize the signal pulses accurately.